Now, the second part, this video, like a second step for first step already. This is the home of orders, products, customer, content, finance, and this analytics, marketing, and discount and online store. Everything is okay. I can checking this on my website. This one of the six twin tasks for this complete. First of all, setup guide. Okay, I can change add the product. Okay, I can product add up as soon as possible, no problem. Then I can going to the second step, find more product, sell import product on Ecommerce. No, this add product is a now skip. Okay, then sell online. Okay, sell online. This is design or this is a store. The second can a custom theme, no browse Plugma theme. The theme is very important for this Plugma theme. I can click this one. Okay, online store, then theme. Okay. So you can checking this is the option. This is down theme is a basic theme, very a basic theme was down theme. Okay, I can use this is one for this very premium theme that's on free for only for how to find this is going to this on okay, this is the import theme. Click the import theme, upload the zip file. Okay, import theme, then upload the zip file. Okay, you can choose the add file. I can go into this my theme list for this show the best theme. This is link card. Okay, so link card and the Shopify premium theme use this often. Okay, link card is 431 for 7 per KB. How to for how to get for this link card? This is Shopify premium theme. Going to this one, I'm going to this link card Shopify theme. I can sell this 39 US dollar for only because this is this theme like this theme. This price is 300 US dollar for this. Okay, I can sell this trace file only for 3 9 only for 39 US dollar for this one. You can just going to I am import this my description. Just click the buy for limited Shopify theme, premium theme for pay 39 US dollar, then bet. Okay, no problem. This is buy me a coffee link. Okay, no problem. Then I'm going to this. You can checking this publish. Very super theme for this link card theme. Okay, I'm checking. No problem. This customize already. This so I now so my store HH and GR, the UC, no problem. I can edit my here. Oh, super. This is my store, home, catalog, concert is welcome. A very good theme this of this one. Okay. You can buy this one, no problem. This is the add your about info, this info company and phone number, then quick link, Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Subscribe your newsletter, everything, no problem. This is a very good theme for this link card theme. You can buy only for 39 US dollar. Okay. Then the link by link is where this video description, no problem. Okay. Then going to this okay. So first of all, you can do this link card. You can you online store password protected. To remove password business address. Okay, manage password. This is add business address. Okay, and first of all, Chamala old address. Okay, just see this and now this is the name. Okay. I am a edit my address, then I can this is a remove password. Okay. Then online store is open for everyone. Now my chair is still is everyone checking, no problem. Download it down. This is see privacy setting automatic, no problem. This is now I can see our lifestyle address is everyone checking, no problem. As soon as possible, I am design complete. Okay, no problem. Then going to this option, I hope you can clear this everything. Then I am the third step. Okay.